Prithviraj Chauhan ruled over Delhi and Agra from 1178 to 1191 AD. He fought two important battles. First Battle of Tarain in 1191 AD between him and Muhammad Ghori, in which Ghori was defeated. Second Battle of Tarain in 1192 AD, in which Prithviraj Chauhan was defeated by Ghori. He was captured and later on slain. It was a decisive battle and had a great significance as it led to the establishment of Muslim rule over northern India and subsequently in the south for several centuries. Jaichand was the last Rajput king who was also defeated and killed by Muhammad Ghori in the Battle of Chandawar in 1194 AD. Rana Kumbha was the famous Sisodiya ruler of Mewar. He defeated Muhammad Khilji and erected the Vijay Stambh in Chittor. He ruled from 1433 AD to 1468 AD. His successor Rana Sanga and Rana Pratap were also great kings of Mewar. In the field of culture, many fortresses and temples were built by Rajput kings. Khajuraho Temple, Lingaraj Temple, Sun Temple, Jagannath Temple, Dilwara Temple in Mount Abu are some examples.